Hello students, welcome back to my maths video. Today in this video I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 12, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Now again this is a geometric chapter. You will see different types of shapes and know about it, okay? In earlier chapter in geometrical concepts you have seen about the point, line, angles, triangles, and many figures you have seen. Now again you will see some elementary shapes, and these are the line segment is a part of line. It has two endpoints, definite length, no breadth, no thickness. So these are the things which you have learned in earlier classes and the earlier chapters. And these are the units. The length units are given: 10 millimeter to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter to 1 decimeter. All these things are given. Comparison of line segments. How can you compare the line segments, whether it is long, whether it is short? So there are two line segments, AB and CD, which is long. By measurement you can see, or by your eyes you can see that CD is longer than AB. Okay, so how can you measure it? You can compare it by using a divider. Okay, so divider you can find in a geometrical instrument box. You can uh, you can measure the length of any two line segment by this divider, right? Okay, in this way you can find it. Now go to next page. Again you are seeing here that AB and CD are measuring. Okay, after that it is found that CD is longer than AB. Next is comparison by tracing. Comparison tracing means by using the scale. Okay, this is a ruler or scale. You can measure the length and you can see which is longer. Understood? So you know how to use the scale. Measurement of line segment. So to measure the line segment we use a scale that has centimeter marks on the edge. Okay, so you know all these things very nicely. Now go to next topic, that is pair of lines. So from here the main chapter starts. There are four pairs of lines: intersecting lines, parallel lines, skew lines, and perpendicular lines. So what is the meaning of intersecting lines? Intersecting line means lines AB and CD intersect each other at a point O. This is the line AB and this is the line CD. They intersect at point O. Such lines are called intersecting lines. Intersecting means to cross each other, okay, to cut each other at a point. This is called intersecting. So when any two lines cross each other at a point, this is called intersecting lines. Okay, and the intersection is possible between two lines only. Understood? So this is known as intersecting lines. Next is parallel line. Parallel line means AB and CD never met each other at any point. That is, they are equidistant from each other at every point. Such lines are called parallel lines. Okay, this is line AB and this is line CD. So when two lines are having the same distance between them, okay, equidistance means same distance. So you can see here these two lines having the same distance between them and they never cross each other. This type of lines are known as parallel lines. Okay, and here the symbol is this one. Okay, AB parallel to CD. It is read like this: AB parallel to CD. So always remember, parallel lines never intersect each other, never meet each other, and their distance between them are always equal, always same. Okay. Next is skewed lines. Two lines in two different planes that are neither parallel nor intersecting are called skewed lines. Okay. So skewed line is what? These lines are neither parallel lines nor intersecting lines. There are different types of lines. They are known as skew lines. No, neither parallel nor intersecting. That type of line is called skew lines. Okay. So this line L and this line M, they are not parallel to each other and they are not intersecting each other. So this type of lines are known as skew lines. Now go to next page. So in next page it is given perpendicular lines. Perpendicular line means two lines in a plane which intersect each other at and form an angle of 90 degree. That is, right angle are called perpendicular lines. So perpendicular line is a type of intersecting lines. When two lines intersect each other and they form an angle, they form an angle 90 degree. Okay, and 90 degree is also known as right angle. So when the two lines form a 90-degree angle, that is called perpendicular line. Okay, always remember. So this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. So there are four 90-degree angles. Okay. Next is concurrent lines. What is the meaning of concurrent lines? Two or more lines that pass through the same point are called concurrent lines. See, two or three lines when they are passing from the same point. So there are how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. Two or three lines pass from the same point are called concurrent lines, and the point of intersection is called point of concurrency. Okay, very easy. Next is measuring of an angle. So how can you measure an angle? By using an instrument called protector, right? By using the protector you can measure an angle. So it's very easy, you know this. Earlier classes also you have seen how to use the protector to find an angle, to measure an angle. Okay. So in protector there are two parts. This is lower part angle and this is upper part angle. Lower part angle, when you measure the lower part angle, then you will go to anti-clockwise direction, and you measure the upper part angle, you go to clockwise direction, right? Like this. So in the next page given comparison of angles. How can you compare the angle? So you have to measure by the help of protector, then you can measure the angles. Next is type of angle. So what are the types of angles you have? So in previous chapter you have seen what is angle. Now you are seeing here types of angles. What are the types of angles? So in geometry, angles can be classified according to the size of the angle. Okay. So according to the size, acute angle. Okay, acute angle, an angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So very important these definitions. So any angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree, okay, between 0 to 90 degree, they are called acute angles. So this type of angle is called acute angle. Next is right angle. So an angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. Very easy. Any angle whose measurement is 90 degree like this. So it is called a right angle or perpendicular angle. Next is obtuse angle. So an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Okay. So this type of angles are more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So this is called obtuse angle. Okay. Next is straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. So the measurement of 180 degree, that means it is a straight line. Straight angle means it is a straight line. Go to next page and see the figure. So you can see this is a straight line. Angle ABC is a straight angle ABC. So this is forming 180 degree angle. Okay. So it is a straight line. It is just forming a straight angle. Next is reflex angle. Reflex means an angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. You can see it is 210 degree. That means it is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. It is called reflex angle. And the last one is complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degrees is called a complete angle. You can see from here to here, complete circle. It is called a complete angle whose measurement is 360 degree. And one more is there, zero angle. Zero angle means an angle whose measure is 0 degree is called a zero angle. Okay. So this is a zero angle. ABC is a zero angle. So you cannot see any angle here because both the lines are overlapping each other. Line AB and line BC. Two lines are there. Okay. Both are overlapping each other. One over another. That's why you cannot see the angle properly. So, but you have to make this point so that you can know that it is a zero angle, 0 degree. Understood? So these are the concepts about the angles. So here you can see you have to write like this. This is the angle diagram. So you have to find which type of angles are there. So here all acute angles are given and one straight angle. So acute angle is FOE, then EOD, DOC, COB, and BOA. All are acute angle. That means they are less than 90 degree. One straight angle, that is EOA. This is a straight angle. Understood? So next question number B is your homework. Same way you have to write. Then question number B, based on the figure given below, write the measurement of the following angles. So here you have to see angle ACJ. What is the angle ACJ here? Angle AC and J. So it is what angle you have to see and write the measurement of this angle. It is 50, 51, 52, 53. So it is 53 degree angle. Okay, like this you have to see here and write the measurement of angle. So it is also your homework. Next is write the capital letter of the English alphabet which has a right angle. So right angle has L letter. Okay, L is forming a right angle. Two acute angles, so N is forming two acute angles. This from here to here one, and here to here one. Two acute angles. And obtuse angle. So K is forming one obtuse angle from here to here. Okay. Now show the time of the given clock according to the angles mentioned below. So here this is a clock. Here you have to make the angle 0 degree. So 0 degree who will make? 0 degree will be made by 12 o'clock. Okay. So 90 degree angle can be made by 3 o'clock. Okay. Or 9 o'clock also. Both 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock. 180 degree angle can be made by this 6 o'clock. Okay. This 180 degree angle, straight angle. Now, question number 5. Write the measures of the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand for the timing shown below. So here you have to measure the angle. What angle made when it is 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. Okay. What angle formed in 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. Okay. 1 o'clock. So how to find this? Let us see. So at 9 o'clock, what is the angle? So you have to understand the concept first of all. Complete angle of a clock is 360 degree. Okay. Measurement of complete angle is 360 degree because it is a complete angle. Complete angle is divided into 12 parts because 12 parts are there from 1 to 12. 12 parts are in there in a clock. So whenever you are asked to find any angle, then you have to divide with 12 and multiply by 360 degree. So angle formed by two hands of a clock at 9 o'clock, it is 9 by 12. Whatever time is given, you have to divide by 12 because there are 12 parts in a clock, and you have to multiply by 360 degree because the complete angle is 360 degree. So after calculation, it is coming 270 degree. Okay, so angle formed by the 9 o'clock is 270 degree. But you cannot say it's 270 degree. Okay, because it is like this. So it is 9 o'clock, suppose. So from here it is 270 degree. From here it is measuring. Okay, so we will find the reflex angle of 270 degree. Reflex angle means this side. This is 90 degree. So to find the reflex angle, you have to minus by 360 degree because 360 degree is the total angle. 360 minus 270 is 90 degree. Understanding? So we see that the 9 o'clock is forming 90 degree angle. So both are correct. So 9 o'clock can make 270 degree also from this side and 90 degree also from this side. Understood? Now let us see B number, 1 o'clock. So for 1 o'clock, again you have to write all this information. Complete angle of a clock is 360 degree. Complete angle is divided into 12 parts. So angle formed by the two hands of a clock at 1 AM or PM, it is 1 by 12. Okay, always you have to divide by 12 into 360 degree. It is coming 30 degree. So at 1 o'clock, it is 30 degree angle. Now all these questions C, D, E, F are your homework. Now you can do it properly, I think. Okay. Now next, using a ruler and pencil, make two obtuse and two acute angles by drawing intersecting lines. So you have to do this by your own. By scale and pencil, you have to draw two acute angles and two intersecting lines. Now 7 number, classify the following angles as acute, obtuse, reflex or complete. So very easy to classify. So you can write here only 27 degrees less than 90 degrees, so it is acute. A means acute. 280 degree is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, so it is what? Reflex angle. Okay, R. Then 45 degree is less than 90 degree, it is acute angle, A. 190 degree is more than 180 degree, less than 360, it is reflex angle. 360 degree is a complete angle, so it is C. And 130 degree, it is less than 180 degree, and that means it is obtuse angle, O. Understood? Very easy. So question number 8, not required. Okay. So in this way, we have completed the exercise 12.1. So I hope you have understood the chapter and 12.1 exercise. Please do all the questions properly. Okay. Thank you.